State-of-the-art open-source large language models require an extraordinary memory footprint simply to exist. A 70 billion parameter model stored in 16-bit precision demands 140 gigabytes of video RAM. The massive 405 billion parameter variant pushes that requirement to nearly a terabyte of capacity. To accommodate these footprints, enterprise environments rely on highly complex multi-GPU clusters. Racks of 8 parallel accelerators are chained together to pool spatial capacity. This hardware dependency stems from the core loading mechanics of standard deep learning frameworks like PyTorch. The standard runtime assumes that to compute a forward pass efficiently, the host machine must load the entirety of the model's parametrized weight matrices into active memory simultaneously. For individual practitioners, this creates an immediate barrier. Attempting to load a 140 gigabyte model onto a consumer graphics card with only 24 gigabytes of VRAM triggers a fatal out-of-memory exception the moment the allocation limit is breached. Traditional artificial intelligence inference is gated by a hard spatial limit. If the monolithic mathematical graph exceeds your available VRAM, execution is mathematically impossible. Air LLM is an open-source framework built specifically to bypass PyTorch's monolithic loading sequence. It operates as a highly specialized runtime override. Modern LLMs are built on the transformer architecture, which is inherently chronological. The network is composed of dozens of independent structural blocks, or layers, relying solely on the activations of the preceding layer to perform matrix multiplications. Air LLM exploits this chronological independence. Because Layer 2 cannot begin computation until Layer 1 is finished, there is no strict requirement for the entire network to sit in the GPU simultaneously. Air LLM replaces spatial memory capacity with temporal, sequential execution. By ensuring only one single layer exists in the active memory environment at any given microsecond, peak VRAM utilization drops dramatically. The memory footprint is capped at roughly 4 gigabytes, regardless of whether the entire model has 70 billion or 405 billion parameters. This architecture forces a trade-off. By shifting the computational bottleneck away from the physical size of the GPU's VRAM, it places the burden squarely on the input-output bandwidth of the physical storage disk. Deploying an Air LLM model begins with an intercepted initialization phase. When a developer invokes the generation command, the framework suspends the standard Hugging Face loading protocol. Instead of pulling weights into RAM, the system utilizes a context manager called init-empty-weights. This maps the structural blueprint to a virtual meta device. The framework defines the complete computational graph while occupying exactly 0 system memory. Concurrently, Air LLM executes a disk-intensive transformation protocol. It downloads the base model weights and mathematically splices the massive monolithic safe-tensors files into distinct segments. These sharded layers are separated into independent one-dimensional files, each corresponding strictly to one specific layer of the network, and written back to the local hard drive. Processing a 140 gigabyte model briefly requires nearly 300 gigabytes of free NVMe space to accommodate the original download and the newly split file simultaneously. Developers pass a delete original equals true configuration flag to forcefully garbage collect the source files during the splitting loop. Failing to do this exhausts local storage and crashes the runtime with a metadata incomplete buffer exception. At the conclusion of this initialization, the massive model resides physically and entirely on the solid-state storage drive, rather than in the active system RAM or GPU memory. The actual inference phase relies on a highly coordinated dynamic allocation pipeline, beginning the moment the first input token is processed. This diagram illustrates Air LLM's pathway. It loads Layer 1 off the disk into RAM and injects it into GPU VRAM. The GPU executes matrix multiplications using Layer 1, saving intermediate activations. Immediately, Air LLM forcefully unloads Layer 1, entirely freeing the VRAM. The system proceeds to load Layer 2 from the disk to the GPU, passing those cached intermediate activations forward as the new input. This rapid cycle of loading, computing, and evicting repeats across all 80 layers for every single token generated. By artificially constraining the memory environment to house only one layer's mathematical operators at a time, Air LLM creates a hard operational ceiling that physically prevents VRAM exhaustion. Hauling gigabytes of weight data from an SSD to VRAM for every token generation cycle introduces an astronomical input-output bottleneck. Synchronous execution would force the highly parallel GPU cores to sit completely idle while waiting for the disk to spin up and pass data over the PCIe bus. To mitigate this catastrophic delay, Air LLM integrates an asynchronous prefetching mechanism. This operates as a multi-queue concurrent pipeline. While the GPU actively executes matrix multiplications for the current layer, a background Python thread simultaneously engages the disk to stage the subsequent layer into system RAM. By staging Layer 2 exactly while computing Layer 1, the framework effectively hides substantial physical data transfer time. This pipelining technique maximizes the utilization of both the PCIe bus and the GPU logic cores, yielding an aggregate execution speedup of approximately 10%. Even with prefetching, continuous disk reading imposes a severe latency penalty. To accelerate the pipeline further, Air LLM integrates the bits and bytes library to execute advanced 4-bit and 8-bit mathematical compression. Standard quantization protocols compress both the parameterized neural network weights and the intermediate activation states moving between layers. Air LLM restricts its compression exclusively to the static weights. Compressing dynamic activations notoriously degrades a model's zero-shot accuracy. By keeping the activation states in high-precision floating-point formats like FP16, Air LLM preserves textual coherence while still slashing the disk overhead. The input tensor is flattened into a one-dimensional sequence and chunked into uniform 64-parameter segments. This specifically isolates extreme mathematical parameter outliers into confined blocks. Calculating a normalization constant exclusively for that block allows the remaining sequence to equally utilize their quantization bins without distortion. The resulting storage reduction is massive. A 140 gigabyte model condenses down to roughly 35 gigabytes on the storage disk. Consequently, the physical read time required to pull each layer off the NVMe drive is cut by up to 75%. In this framework, quantization serves solely to shrink the physical payload moving off the disk. It allows the temporal inference pipeline to run 3 times faster without sacrificing the mathematical accuracy of the output. Transitioning to an Air LLM deployment requires entirely inverting traditional hardware prioritization. Raw GPU compute throughput, or FLOPS, is removed from the equation. The internal GPU compute finishes almost instantly compared to the data loading phase. Storage read speed dictates token generation. VRAM hits 1,000 gigabytes per second. NVMe SSDs max out between 5 and 10 gigabytes per second, limiting output to 10 tokens per second. Mechanical hard drives provide 0.15 gigabytes per second, halting output completely. The storage drive acts as the primary AI accelerator. The physical read limits of the SSD entirely throttle the internal capabilities of the graphics card. Air LLM abstracts this entire execution sequence behind an auto model wrapper class. This intelligently detects the downloaded structural blueprint and automatically normalizes varied architectures like Llama, Qwen, and ChatGLM, routing them properly into the sequential execution queue. This matrix highlights system fragility. The prevalent optimum.better transformer crash stems from upstream deprecation in the Hugging Face ecosystem, where modern updates removed legacy modules. Resolving this requires administrators to manually pin older, mutually compatible legacy versions of transformers and Optimum. The unyielding reality of the layer execution pipeline is the interactive latency barrier. Outputting a maximum of 5 to 10 tokens per second on an optimal NVMe drive prevents this framework from providing real-time responsiveness. That hard latency limit definitively eliminates Air LLM from powering instantaneous text generation, conversational chatbot interfaces, or real-time code assist tools. By systematically reframing VRAM scarcity as an issue of disk latency, Air LLM provides an incredibly potent, highly specialized utility. It is strictly tailored for offline batch data processing, document summarization, and background asynchronous analytics, democratizing the execution of massive 400 billion parameter models on commodity constraints. Transitioning to an Air LLM deployment requires entirely inverting traditional hardware prioritization. Raw GPU compute throughput, or FLOPS, is removed from the equation. The internal GPU compute finishes almost instantly compared to the data loading phase. Storage read speed dictates the token generation ceiling. GPU VRAM hits 1,000 gigabytes per second. A top NVMe SSD reaches 10, dropping output to 10 tokens per second. Mechanical hard drives provide just 0.15 gigabytes, rendering inference completely unviable. The storage drive acts as the primary AI accelerator. The physical read limits of the SSD entirely throttle the internal capabilities of the graphics card. Air LLM abstracts this entire execution sequence behind an auto model wrapper class. This intelligently detects the downloaded structural blueprint and automatically normalizes varied architectures, like Llama, Qwen, and ChatGLM, routing them properly into the sequential execution queue. This matrix outlines the system's dependency fragility. The optimum.better transformer crash results from upstream deprecation, where legacy modules were removed. Resolving this requires aggressively uninstalling bleeding-edge libraries and manually pinning mutually compatible legacy versions of transformers and optimum. The unyielding reality of the layer execution pipeline is the interactive latency barrier. Outputting a maximum of 5 to 10 tokens per second on an optimal NVMe drive prevents this framework from providing real-time responsiveness. That hard latency limit definitively eliminates Air LLM from powering instantaneous text generation, conversational chatbot interfaces, or real-time code assist tools. By systematically reframing VRAM scarcity as an issue of disk latency, Air LLM provides an incredibly potent, highly specialized utility. It is strictly tailored for offline batch data processing, document summarization, and background asynchronous analytics, democratizing the execution of massive 400 billion parameter models on commodity constraints.